Jai Swaminarayan. Our sacred campus, our Gurukul, where education is not only about books but about life. A place where Vidya, Sadvidya, and Brahmavidya flow together. Where discipline builds character, where prayer brings peace, and Swamiji's guide us like loving guardians. This is not just a school. This is Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School. Jai Swaminarayan. Hey, what are you doing?
Just completing my homework. What about you?
I already completed mine during the evening study hours.
Honestly, I'm thinking something serious.
What happened?
I don't think I can stay in Gurukulam.
Why?
Everything here feels so strict. Back at home, I used to sleep whenever I wanted, watch movies, scroll Instagram, play games late at night. But here, we have to wake up early in the morning. Prayer, study, discipline, rules everywhere. Sometimes it feels like there is no freedom. I'm thinking that next year I'll go back home.
I understand how you feel. Every student feels like that when they first join the Gurukul. But have you ever thought why a Gurukul system exists?
What do you mean?
Let me tell you something which Swamiji always says. Comfort creates weakness. Greatness creates discipline. Lord Rama lived in the forest for 14 years. Lord Krishna stayed in the ashram of Rishi Sandipani for education. And even Bhagavan Sri Swaminarayan left his home at the very young age of 11 years to do penance all across India. Even presently today, many great personalities are there. They have spent their youth in struggle and discipline.
Maybe that's true, but still, waking up every day feels difficult.
It felt difficult for me too, but now I love the mornings here. Waking during the Brahma Muhurt, performing puja, dhoon, prayer. You can never get that peace on social media.
I never thought about it that way.
And look at the education system here. It has been built on 3 pillars. Vidya, academic excellence, Sadvidya, moral values, Brahmavidya, spiritualness. Where can we find all these 3 together?
That is true actually.
Here, we also study modern subjects like science, mathematics, computers, etc. And we also study religious cultures such as scriptures, prayers, and etc. Gurukul is not just preparing us for exams, it is preparing us for life and society.
I do enjoy the activities here though.
Exactly. We have sports, yoga, music, cultural competitions, and etc. And the best part, we live together like one family. Many students come from various places. They all become brothers here.
That part I really like.
Right. Have you noticed something about Swamijis?
What?
They don't treat us like any ordinary students. They treat us like their own children. If someone is sick, Swamiji personally check on them. If someone is sad or stressed, Swamiji calls them and motivates them. They want every Gurukul student to be a good human being first.
That's true. Last month when I was sick, Swamiji himself came to ask about my health. I felt so cared for.
See, that is the beauty of Gurukul. Here, we just don't receive education. We receive guidance, discipline, and love. The Gurukul system shapes us into strong, responsible, and spiritual individuals.
You know what? Today, you really opened my eyes. I was only seeing the difficulties, but now I understood the purpose behind them. These years in Gurukul are not restrictions. They are preparation for a great life.
Exactly. One day, when we grow, we thank Gurukul for shaping our lives.
Today, I make a promise that not only will I complete my whole education here in Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul, but I will also tell my friends and relatives, if you want your children to gain knowledge, discipline, character and spiritual values, then send them to Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School.
We are proud to be Gurukulites, learning through Vidya, living with Sadvidya, and growing with Brahmavidya. shaping our future and serving society.
Sri Swaminarayan Gurukul International School, where children are not only educated, they are transformed into leaders, into servants of society, and into noble human beings.
Jai Swaminarayan.